This is the elevator at the station for Paris in Las Vegas. The monorail station. Ooh, it's glass. Ooh, this one's nice. This one's actually in fairly good condition. It's a KONE. Oh, it's hydraulic. The glass is really hot. Just gotta make sure this is perfect. Here's the monorail, you can see when it's arriving. This is in really good condition, actually. Doesn't smell in here, actually. This one's well. Yeah, you can see the tracks of the monorail, I just rode it. Alright. I believe this is where I'm supposed to be, so watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.